So this is a long overdue job on my wife's car. It's a R129 500 SL. The aerial grommet that seals the aerial against the body is perished. Probably letting a little bit of water in as well. But got the part. I've had the part for about 3 months. Should have fixed it by now really. But here we go. Well, that wasn't meant to happen. Anyway, let's get this aerial out. It's only one screw to the body and then it should pull down like so. Come on.
Pull straight down.
As you can see, it's been installed from the wrong side. There you go. I've never actually seen one of these. It looks like a shield between the aerial and the body. Smear a smidgen of silicone grease on it just to help push it into place. It's going to be a bit of a tight squeeze. Talking from experience when I say this, but trust me, you don't want to try to push this in dry. It's just not going to work. I had to heat the part up to make it a bit softer so it could squeeze into that hole. This is what it should look like when it's correctly installed. Whoever installed the aerial last time must have got the angle wrong and struggled to put the aerial grommet in, hence why it looks like it was installed from the inside. All finished. As you can see, it looks really tidy, and that's how they should look, nice and watertight. Getting jobs like this done make you feel absolutely great.